everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here to share my 2020 planner. Just do a flip through. So this is in my 2019-2020 planner since I use the academic year. Today I'm just going to go through the first quarter, so January, February, and March, and then I'll do other videos for the remaining quarters as we get there. So to start off with, this is my January monthly. It was a kit from Plannerology Studio. And I actually had like a lot of things filled in. So definitely not so good about using my monthly spreads anymore, but it was a lot of fun. I like how this turned out. It's super cute. And I like all the like kind of fake glitter stuff going on there. Let's see, this is the first week. This is a kit from Victoria Thatcher for 2020. Not my favorite spread overall. But I do think that it's pretty cute still. This was the last day that my husband was working at his previous job. We did New Year's, did a lot of job search. We got back from visiting family, all that good stuff. This is full boxes from my shop, and then all this coffee themed stuff came from Britannia Nicole. And then this is a Happy Planner sticker. So this was a week where I tried doing no white space planning. Definitely not for me. I don't love how this turned out, but I'm still really glad that I tried it out. I was sick this week, back before we even knew COVID was a thing. I just had regular sickness. So there's that. This week was just leftovers. So a bunch of these full boxes are from my shop. This one came from Bella Digital Designs. That one came from Bella Digital Designs. So a bunch of like happy planner things, leftovers, random stickers, all that good stuff. So I love how this turned out. It was definitely kind of fun to just like pull in random leftovers that were in this color scheme. It goes really well with the January color in this planner, all that good stuff. So that was definitely fun. This week was Chinese New Year, so I wanted a red and gold kit. So this one's from Pretty Planner Printables, which is on Pinterest. I like how it turned out. I think it's super colorful. It's super fun. I think it was really cute. I actually cut down the extra full boxes to be washi strips, so I think that was pretty nice. I think that turned out pretty well. Not really a very busy week. I did a readathon this weekend. And then the last week in January, this is full boxes from Save Leftovers. It's like so shiny. So that was a lot of fun. Brought in some hollow foil from Shine Sticker Studio as well. So that was really exciting. I got called about a job. Didn't really work out in the end, but kind of worked out. We went to the zoo, so that was pretty nice. And then the Super Bowl was this weekend. Otherwise, it was just a lot of curling, I think. And then on to February. So this was a kit from My Planner Life UK. I frequently use their kits. This one you kind of had to fill in the top, which smudged a lot, so don't love that part. But overall, it worked out okay. We were still like doing things. At least a little bit. Did a couple movie nights, watched a lot of curling, did some interviews, that kind of thing. This kit comes from Creative Cavern Studio. It's so cute. I love this little dog. Her kits are like super good for me. The only exception being her mini kits don't have a lot of headers. It's just this one set. So I had to like pull in some other headers, but I think that turned out totally fine. And I think that it was a really cute kit. I got like a little scene going on down there. It's Oscar's night. We went snowshoeing. That was fun. This was Valentine's weekend, so we went out for a fancy tasting menu, wine pairing dinner. Kit comes from Victoria Thatcher, if I didn't mention it. I did contemporary-a-thon, read-a-thon, movie night with a couple of my good friends from college. So that was fun. This is just stickers from a Happy Planner book. So I like how a lot of these kind of cross between the days. This is like not at all my usual style, but I think it was a lot of fun, and I kind of want to do this again. Maybe I will in January or February of 2021. Watch the Scotties this weekend. So that was fun as well. This was a kit from Calicat Co. It's on like glossy vinyl paper, which I do not love, to be honest, especially because I have to use a different pen than my usual pen. But otherwise, I love how this kit turned out, and I felt like it was really wintry and appropriate for the season. So that was fun. Got to visit the zoo again, see the baby snow leopard. All right, moving into March. This was a kit for Pig Pixel Graphics. Her shop/website's been closed for a long time, but I got like all of the kits before she closed. So I still use them sometimes just because I really enjoy them. I think they're really cute and fun. This is kind of when everything started going to shit. So everything started shutting down in New York State at this point. Conveniently, there was also a readathon that week, so that was good at least. Library books ended up getting extended again after that. It's all canceled. My birthday happened. Late game that day, that was canceled. So definitely an interesting month. You can kind of see I'm starting to not use my monthly as much anymore. This is another Victoria Thatcher kit. I like the coffee cups. I think they're really cute. I don't drink coffee, but I still really enjoy using coffee cups for whatever reason. I think it was fun and springy, which was super nice for very not springy weather. Watch the Briar. This kit comes from Chasing Shells. It was the Ravenclaw kit. I know there's a lot of issues with J.K. Rowling and Harry Potter at this point and all of that kind of stuff. But this was fan art, so it's a little bit different. And this was also March, so the world was a different place and we knew different things then. But I do still have a bunch of stuff from this kit and other related kits from Chasing Shells, and I'll probably still, but just being mindful of what kinds of things I talk about, kind of stuff. This week was a lot of started Kindle Unlimited. Ended up doing that again. I'm currently doing Kindle Unlimited again, but kind of start and stop a lot. Everything was getting canceled. This week, these were full boxes from my shop. And then it was just a bunch of leftovers to fill everything else out. This was a super springy week, which was really nice. Historical Romance Readathon happened. I did Free the PhD, which was super helpful. If you have a PhD, I highly recommend that. I didn't put in all of the everything closing on this weekly spread because it was just like a lot to process at the time. My camera decided to quit on me just as I was about to show you the last spread, so let's do that. This kit is from Organized Potato. This week was my birthday, but I wasn't really feeling like the birthday feel with COVID and everything, so I love this kit. It's so graphic and dramatic, and I got to use like all this really intense washi, so I feel like it was a really good kit to use for this week, even if it's not really a traditional birthday kit. I did a movie night, had my birthday. We got 70-degree weather in March, so that was pretty exciting. So I think it was a pretty good end to March, all things considered. So that is everything for this chunk. I'll have videos up in the future dealing with these other months as we get going, but you know, a bit at a time as it goes. Please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. Let me know your favorite kit that I used during this time, or the favorite kit that you used during this time. I'd also love to know that. I also have Plan With Mes up for all the weeks that are in here, so I will link the playlist to for all of those as well if you're curious. You can follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz if you want to see any of the spreads. I tag the shops, all that good stuff, future spreads, all of that stuff. And until next time, bye!